Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of milk. Yes, that creamy, nutrient-packed elixir that's been a dietary staple for centuries. Get ready to discover the scoop on milk's different varieties, its nutritional composition, and the incredible health benefits it brings to the table. So grab your favorite mug and let's milk this topic for all it's worth. Now let's kick things off by shedding light on the diverse range of milks out there. From the classic cow's milk to lesser-known options like goat's and sheep's milk, the choices are plentiful. Did you know that globally, over 6 billion people consume milk regularly? That's right, it's not just a beverage, it's a global phenomenon. Next up, let's break down the nitty-gritty of what makes milk so darn nutritious. Picture this. Milk is like nature's multivitamin, packed to the brim with essential nutrients. We're talking about proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, all in one delicious package. And get this, just 1 cup of milk contains about 300 milligrams of calcium, meeting nearly a third of your daily needs. Talk about a bone-boosting powerhouse, but wait, there's more. Milk isn't just about strong bones, it's a superhero for your entire body. With its high-quality protein content, milk helps build and repair muscles, making it a go-to choice for fitness enthusiasts everywhere. Plus, let's not forget about the immune-boosting powers of milk's vitamin D and protein combo, perfect for keeping those pesky colds at bay. Now here's the kicker. Studies have shown that regular milk consumption is associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases like osteoporosis, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. That's right, by sipping on milk, you're not just nourishing your body, you're safeguarding your future health. And with so many delicious options to choose from, whether it's a frothy latte or a refreshing glass of chocolate milk, there's something for everyone to enjoy. So there you have it, folks. The lowdown on milk and its amazing benefits. Whether you're a dairy devotee or just curious about the science behind this nutritional powerhouse, one thing's for sure, milk truly does a body good. So here's to raising a glass to your health. Cheers.